Hey guys, Dr. Utash here, Wellness Key Chiropractic. This Therapeutic Thursday exercise, we're going to bust out of this fancy bag a little tool. So they come in different shapes and sizes, but this is a gua sha tool. There's different scraping tools that you can have done, and quite personally it's been really effective for me with repetitive motion, kind of breaking up some of the adhesions, the scar tissue. Yesterday, a patient came in and she kind of has like a large amount of scar tissue kind of just below her knee, because of multiple knee surgeries. And so this would be an excellent tool for her, as well as for maybe many of you guys that have scar tissue build up from previous injuries or accidents that's restricting motion of that joint. And so you would take this, perhaps I like to use coconut oil. Some people could just use regular lotion. Just make sure, your skin is one of your biggest organs, so you want to make sure that you're using something that's non-toxic. And you're gonna literally kind of find that area of restriction, and you're just kind of scrape along that edge. So these tools are $5 to hundreds of dollars online. This is like a $10 one, and I feel that this works probably 80% as well as the ones that can cost hundreds of dollars. And so I get in there and I kind of scrape through there, and it breaks up that tissue. So if you want to do it even better, so let's just say it's on my wrist, and my wrist has been really bugging me. I can't get into full extension. It's really hurting and restricted. Then I would try to go through a range of motion, just kind of warm up the wrist, warm up that joint. And then I take this tool, I put some lotion or cream or coconut oil on the areas that I'm going to be working, and I'm just going to gently kind of break up some of that tissue. And it's just kind of a angled scraping motion, and your skin should be kind of like free flowing over the underlying tissue, and in many cases it's not. And so breaking this up for 30 seconds to a minute in a localized area, sometimes you might even get little red spots that pop up there. That's a good sign that it's working. I wouldn't go too much past that. And then once you're done, go through that same range of motion again. It'll kind of further break up that joint, and then afterwards put an ice pack on it. Depending on the area, with my wrist I do 5 or 10 minutes. I'd be happy to show this if this gets lots of engagement on different areas of the body. But again, using a gua sha tool to scrape and break up some adhesions across the joint is a great way not only to decrease pain, but also range of motion. Dr. Utash, Wellness Key Chiropractic.